Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill chicken sticks Saltimbocca. So stay tuned! It's time to grill! So, what do we need? First of all, we're gonna need chicken breast. This one is called Nature and Respect, some high quality chicken from Germany. So these are actually 2 chicken breasts with a total weight of approximately 400 grams. So now take a sharp knife and cut it into little and small slices. So you can actually do it like so, or you use the butterfly cut. The butterfly cut, you take the breast and cut it like so with the hand on top, and then you start open it, and there you go, you're ready with 2 more slices of chicken breast. So next step is we're gonna flatten these. So we need some foil here and my new steak hammer. I will show you more videos with the steak hammer in the future, and some more information about that thing that is called tatanka, which is really cool. We use this here to flatten the chicken. Of course, like always, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. You can check it out there. I will even put in some links. I will put a link to the Tatanka steak hammer as well, so you can check it out. So, for all of those who are not familiar with Italian dishes, Saltimbocca alla Romana is a classic Italian dish, and it's basically a piece of veal combined with the sage, fresh sage, and ham from Parma. So Parma ham, and this is the idea of using more or less the same ingredients, but take the chicken instead of the veal. So there you go, 1 leaf of fresh sage here, and then we're gonna wrap this completely in Parma ham. So ham from Parma, really famous Italian town, really nice flavor. So normally if you order Saltimbocca alla Romana in an Italian restaurant, you will get a piece of flattened veal with 1 slice of that ham and the leaf of sage. So for us today, we're gonna add some more flavor, and we're gonna wrap it completely with 2 slices of that nice Italian ham. So then we put this on a skewer. You can use wooden skewer. If you have metal skewer, feel free to use the metal skewer as well. So this adds, the ham adds additional flavor of course, but it also helps to stay juicy inside for the chicken. So there you go, that's it, flattened piece of chicken. Don't take too long to grill, with the nice leaf of sage and the ham. So I will show you a second one, only a little bit faster. Tatanka steak hammer again, flatten the chicken, take it off, 1 leaf of fresh sage, wrap it in ham, and you're ready. So, but ham is maybe not the right vocabulary here to use. I guess this is more like prosciutto. I think you might have heard the name for that as prosciutto. Prosciutto from Parma. In the meantime, we have preheated our Broiking Imperial gas grill on medium heat. The 2 right burners are on, and just a little hack from me here: if you grill things only for a short time with the wooden skewers, make sure to have the wooden skewers outside your grill, so you are able to turn these and give them a twist with your hand. So we're gonna grill these little skewers for approximately 7 till 8 minutes per side. In total, after 2 or 3 minutes, I'm gonna give this a twist, and I want to make sure not to burn these. So there's only one last step. I like the combination of sage, prosciutto, chicken, and some sweetness. So we're gonna glaze this one with maple syrup here. from both sides. We're gonna give this a twist as well, and then add some more of that sweet, great stuff. And of course, they are ready when they're golden brown. So, just some minutes in the indirect heat, and then we're gonna try these. Alright folks, I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Chicken saltimbocca, classic Italian dish. Sticky with maple syrup. What can go wrong with that? I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, thumbs up, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.